Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to submit XML sitemap in Bing Webmaster. So what is XML sitemap? XML sitemap is a collection of all URLs, and what's the benefit of it? It will help you to improve your crawling and indexing in Bing Webmaster or any search engines. So how to submit it? You have to log in your Bing Webmaster and then go to sitemaps and then click site submit sitemap and copy your sitemap and then paste here the URL, and it should be absolute URL with HTTPS and then click submit. So after few days you can see your crawling status or errors if you have, and then you can analyze easily. And how frequent they crawl, it depends on your website reputation or importance of your pages. So if you are new and your website is new, it might take some time. So keep patience and improve your visibility, website visibility, and create backlinks and promote your web pages and website. So that is how you can improve your crawling and indexing. So thank you so much watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.